We are infinite.
A limit in which f of x increases or decreases without bound and as x approaches c is called an infinite limit. So take this equation for example. F of x equals 3 over x minus 2. And you're asked to find the limit as x approaches 2 for this equation. Now if you look at the graph, f of x decreases and increases without bound. And so the limit altogether wouldn't exist. So let's make a chart right here. So we're going to find this numerically. So you just plug in your numbers as x approaches 2, coming from the left and from the right, and then you see that the outputs are increasing or decreasing without bound. Right here they're decreasing. So you go from -6 to -30, -300, -3000, and it's not going to like one specific number. Same with it coming from the right. It's increasing without bound. We have 6, 30, 300, 3000, and it's not going to one specific number. It's just increasing or decreasing infinitely. So whenever you go to write your answers over here, if you ask to find the limit as x approaches 2 from the left, you see that it keeps infinitely approaching negative numbers. It's infinitely decreasing. So you would say the limit as x approaches 2 from the left is negative infinity. Now it's the opposite for this equation. Whenever x approaches 2 from the right, it's increasing without bound. So you would say the limit as x approaches 2 from the right is infinity. You can see that these are two different limits, so you can conclude that the limit as x approaches 2 from both the left and the right does not exist.
We are infinite.